Josh Rollins here with Muck Farm Whitetails. Getting prepared for next season, as most of us do. We're going to take some feed out, some mineral blocks, and we're going to test out the Orec Trailblazer here. 600-pound capacity, so we're going to put it to the test. Terry, let's get this loaded. Well, it's the first time I used it. I'm pretty impressed. It saved a whole lot of time. That would have taken me a couple hours dragging all this out here with a wheelbarrow or even with a side-by-side. It got right through it. Let's get this loaded. Well, we got this one full. Now, we'll venture off to the rest of the feeders and fill those too.